put it in for I think like 10 minutes or something. Okay, so this is our first no glue slime. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Next.
And this is just like all honey.
Okay, I think it's in the freezer. Yeah, we're supposed to put it in the freezer for like our next one, we have to use dish soap and salt.
We're gonna use tea salt.
I'm using Method dish soap. So I saw this in a video, but I don't know if ours will work. So
How many squirts?
just do it. Okay,
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Alright, now we gotta put a little salt adult in.
No.
Okay, salty adult. Okay, put some in. Yeah, okay, that's good. Wait, no, one more pinch.
Okay.
Wait, I think you need more.
No.
So now you're just gonna wanna mix up your mixture with the salt in it.
Tiny pinch. That was way too much. Yeah. Okay, you hold it now. Fine.
I know.
No, what?
And go. Let's go. Let's go to the fridge or whatever you call it.
Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit more of this. Okay, let's go.
Alright, let's move.
Wait, so this is, I think, what it's supposed to look like?
Is it good?
No, not yet.
Okay, next we're gonna do dish soap and sugar, cane sugar, not brown sugar.
Okay.
Oh, it's not open.
So just give this a quick little stirry poo. Okay, you know. Just a little bit. That's good. More. Wait. It's supposed to like do that.
Do what?
So this is not really turning into slim.
Now we're just gonna put a little bit more sugar and then we're gonna put it into the microwave. And then
The microwave? Yeah, just for like, where's the microwave?
so we're putting it into the microwave.
It's right here.
And then we'll okay, here's what it looks like after it's out of the microwave. So here's our dish soap and salt slime, and I guess it's sort of starting to form like a jiggly slime, sort of. This slime is terrible. It didn't turn out the way we wanted, and it's just like a cold, really cold honey. That's
I know, it's like,
dude. Okay.
Whoa! Oh my gosh.
Really good. Okay, hold up. This is insane. This is like by far the best slime, no glue slime, I mean, that we've ever seen. And it really did work. It just shrunk actually a lot for some reason. So this is the sugar and dish soap slime. So thanks for watching, guys.
So just stay tuned for that. Okay, bye. Tooses.